Welcome, let me introduce to you the C-Tug Canoe and Kayak Trolley by Railblazer. The C-Tug is the most durable, practical, lightweight canoe and kayak trolley on the market. Designed for all terrains and easy for everyone to use. The rubber pads easily adjust to fit all hull shapes from sit-on-top kayaks to sea kayaks, and can even take 2 kayaks or a small tender up to 120 kgs or 300 pounds. Freestanding for a single person to load hassle-free. Assembly is completely tool-free and only takes seconds. Easy to dismantle and stow away in your hatch, or can be simply strapped to the deck of your kayak or canoe. Made from low maintenance, corrosion-free materials means you just simply need to wash it down after use. The C-Tug Canoe and Kayak Trolley is available worldwide. Visit c-tug.com to find a dealer near you.